Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Jumptask application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once it is opened up, you can tap on the search button, and now you can type in Jumptask to begin your search. From the search results, when you find the Jumptask application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the application on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. After the application is opened up, you can proceed forward by either creating your new account or log in to your existing one. You can use your Google, your Facebook account, or directly connect your wallet. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Jumptask application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.